There is a hadith in which the Prophet ﷺ said, if a person wants to get near to Allah, if a person wants to get near to Allah, then get involved with what is the nearest to Allah. And that is His words, Kalamullah. Because the words of the Quran are the words of Allah. If you want to get close to someone, and you want to get near to someone, the president of a country, or the president of your company, or some high-tech person, you do what that person likes. You do what pleases that person. You do what is nearest and dearest to that person. And what is nearest and dearest to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Yeah, listen, my brothers and sisters, this is not my opinion. This is not Shaikh Shafayat opinion. This is the Quranic perspective. We read Surah Ar-Rahman. Yeah? We hear a lot of lectures about Surah Ar-Rahman. All the bounties of Allah, all the favors of Allah. Have you ever pondered that the first thing that Allah considers to be the greatest favor to humankind is the Quran? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ar-Rahman. Allama al-Quran. Before He speaks about insan, human beings, fruits and vegetables, and everything else in the world, the first thing He says, Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, the most gracious, Allama al-Quran. That's the first thing on His list of His mercy. The knowledge of the Quran that human beings are blessed. See, priority on His list of His mercy. So it's not my ideas. That's not my analyzing of the Quran being priority. Allah places